Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to use locators provided by Selenium. So for this demonstration purpose, I am going to use Facebook web page. So during the test automation, we need to use the web elements which are available in a web page like text box, drop down, radio buttons, links and different kind of web elements we need to use during our test automation. So in order to capture these web elements, we can use locators provided by Selenium, such as ID, name, link text, partial link text, CSS selector, and XPath. Today I am going to show you to use how we can use this, few locators. So during this demonstration, I'll show you how we can use these kind of locators in our automation. So this is my Eclipse IDE. First, I am going to create a Maven project. If you create a Maven project, you can simply add the dependencies related to Selenium in the pom.xml file so that you can simply install all the jars available. Just click next. So here I am giving the same name as the artifact ID as well. Just click finish button. So once it is done, you can simply delete these two default packages. I am planning to keep short this video tutorial as much as possible so we can quickly get the concept within a short period of time. So here I am going to add my own package and I am going to call it as learn locators, and this is our pom.xml file. This JUnit dependency I am going to remove it. During this demonstration we don't need that JUnit dependency, and I am going to add this Selenium dependency. So once done, just you can save it and you can see here the Selenium the relevant files will be downloaded automatically. Now we need to create a simple Java class. So I am going to name it as learn locators. Test locators. We can keep the other options as it is and just click this finish button. So I just want to demonstrate this to handling these locators in a simple way. So I am going to create a main method here. And first of all we need to initiate WebDriver. Driver equal new Chrome driver. I'm going to use the Chrome browser. We need to use this couple of codings. Driver.chrome.driver, and we need to give the path of the WebDriver, and at the end we need to give a semicolon here. So I have the WebDriver path here. Let me copy that path and I'm going to paste it here. let me delete this. Right. Let me add this over here. Now once done, we need to you know, first of all we need to open the browser, maximize the browser, and we need to get the URL. So for that we have a couple of codes which needs to be added. Let me add those codes as well here. So we need to give the relevant Facebook URL here. Right. So let's run this file and see whether this Chrome browser is open or not. Yeah, yeah, right, success. Now now we can go to the locators, and we can use one by one those locators in during this demonstration. So let me go to the Facebook page, and here you can just right click and go to the inspect. Now here let's see how we can capture this text box. So just click on this, select an element icon and click this first name. So here you can see, once you click that first name text box, here you can see some of the informations are available. So we can capture this object using name attribute, especially using name attributes. So we can using this name attribute and the name locator, we can capture this element during our test automation. Let's check. So let me copy this name attribute. So we need to create a web element. We are capturing first name text box. So I'm going to give like tf underscore first name drive dot find element by dot name. So here you can see these are the different locators provided by Selenium. You can see name, partial link text, and right, you can see XPath, CSS selector. So those are the locators. Now here I'm going to use the name as the locator. So here we can give the locator name here, first name, and you can give the semicolon. And using this tf underscore name, dot send keys method, you can enter values. Let's say test1 as the name, and let's say now we captured the first name text box using this name locator. Let's